Racing just is started. Very scramble in front position by Forzari. Ziamo. Pamilya is on the outside. Then next on that is Splitwood. Pencil away. Moving up. Manila's Gem. Alongside comes Don Alejandro. Obitron comes next. Favorite Chanel. Queen's King. Then next on that now is Bloodline. While Citonet is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. We have two runners fighting out for the lead by Forzari, Ziamo, Pamilya, Pencil away. Now moving up on the outside, Manila's Gem, Fleetwood, and on the outside now is Don Alejandro as they swing for home by Forzari, by our length and a half. And on the outside now is Manila's Gem, Fleetwood is down on the inside by Forzari, Manila's Gem is on the outside to the and finally Manila's Gem by Forzari. Then comes Fleetwood, Don Alejandro, Ziamo, Pamilya, close favorite Cianel, and number 1 Obitron.
Manila's Gem, gumante sa pagkakatalo niya nung isang araw. Ito,